Hey guys, it's going. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pi, and welcome to my channel, Pi Food and Travel. And today I'm on P&O Britannia, taking a cruise from Southampton back to Southampton. It's 14 days cruise, and it's going to be Northern Europe and Scandinavia cruise. Follow me when I show you the whole ship, what it looks like. Come follow me. Let's start off with the deck 5. This is the landing deck. This is the main deck. So when you check in, when you get on the ship, this is the first floor that you will come in. So you got this deckhead right here. And next to it, the art gallery. It's beautiful sea day. Right beside it, you get the blue bar. That's where you get your refreshment before you go have your dinner or lunch or whenever you like. So inside this area, it's a bit more private. With some window seat that you can check out the sea. Also, there's some art activity that's going on here, normally on the sea day. So let's walk around the blue bar. On your left hand side, on the way to escalator, the midship here. There's a photo of the Queen here. This is the elevator for the midship. And then straight up ahead is a Meridian restaurant, but it's too close now. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Here's the menu. So the Meridian restaurant is on the on the landing deck, deck 5. Now let's go into the other side. And you get another coffee bar here, opposite the blue bar.
Yeah, can you borrow your pen?
So you get your Costa coffee here.
Yeah.
A lot of goodies. Yummy looking treats here. And ice cream. Let's get macaron, popsicles. They also do afternoon tea here. So this is the Market Cafe. Morning. Now let us continue behind the staircase. Up ahead we have the Limelight Club. So still not open. Early in the morning. So there's a Limelight Club. Here you can book a table for dinner, and that is include the entertainment. So tonight is cruise jet. So there's a Limelight Club on deck 5. Opposite the Limelight Club, you get the little shops here. You get all your goodies. It's more like souvenir shops, and with some about if you need like toothbrush and this kind of thing, toothpaste, suntan lotion and that kind of thing. This is where you can find them, and the price is reasonable compared to other ship. Then opposite is the reception or front desk. Then your shore excursion is opposite the front desk. This is where you book your shore excursion, or if you have any question, you can come down here and talk to one of the staff. Right next to the shore the excursion is Oasis Spa and Health Club. So your spa here for massage and facial. I'll see how far I can go. Oh, it's good, like nail salon here. Get your hair done, get your hair washed. Ah, looks like they got like tea and little snack here too. And wine. Oh, you should get your hair extension. How nice. Good thing you had a beautiful view that they can go. Yeah. I don't think you can go further than in here, but we'll see. Okay, this is a spa area, reception salon, relax lounge. Okay, this is a massage room. Ooh, sorry. Okay, nah, shouldn't go further than that. They're having meeting now. Okay. All right, so that's the Oasis Spa and Health Club. So, okay, let's head back to the auditorium again to go up on the deck 6. Let us continue with the deck 6. Okay, this is a headlight. Headliner theater. Headliner theater. Door open. I'm gonna peep in. Oh, they're doing some cleaning. Oopsie. Okay, this is the theater. Hello. So this is where you see all the shelves. So it's on deck 6 and deck 7. Except when it's out there, you can enter from both sides. Thank you. Came to see some show here. It was very good. Show production of this ship is very good. Okay, so this one is Brody's. I think it's the bar. Oh yes. Yeah, it's more like a pub. Just got the pool table here. This place have a lot of activity during the day, especially the sea day. Yeah, see the little stand here, so that way all the activities happening. I need to spend some time here. I haven't been here yet. Today is a day 12 of into the cruise, so I have to get up really early so I can do this video when there's no one around. Staircase over there. So this is the bar area. And this is a casino. So you have to get to the theater, you have to walk through the casino or this pub. Not the really big casino, but I think it's got all what you want. I think to play. I do not think you are allowed to smoke here because I don't remember to see people smoking here or could smell any cigarettes. So the smoking is on a deck 7. Outside. I don't think there's a inside area for smoking on this ship. Back to the staircase. This is where you can find your duty-free shop. Quite a bit of variety actually for duty-free. So this continues. So this side is all the clothing. Got some nice good brand here too, and the price is it's normal price. Like you would get it from store. Then you have the visual. And this is where you get your sunglasses and whiskey and liqueurs and things. Chocolate you can't consume on a ship. You can buy them and you can take them with you after when you get off the ship. So on the deck 6, after the duty-free shop, there's a restaurant. There's a Peninsula restaurant. This is also one of the main dining. Okay, you can enter from both sides. Well, it depends. Sometimes it's open one side, just the entrance, but you can get in. Once you get in, the whole place is joined together. So walk across the staircase at another entrance, and then one here. That is Peninsula, your main dining room. So the first one is the Meridian. Same food, same menu, just different setup. Back to the auditorium. This side, all the perfume and skincare. Next to it's all the watches and then jewelry. I'm gonna take the staircase up to deck 7. I think I'm done. Oh, deck 6, right? Yeah, okay, that's all. Morning. Alright, I'm gonna check out this crystal room first. Actually never been inside there yet. I saw a lot of dancing going on here. So there's a crystal room. Oh. Yeah, this is the dance floor. Okay, it's got the little bars over there. This is very nice. Okay, and behind it is the what? You guys should know by now. It is Headliners Theater. Okay. Let's head back to the other side. Back to the dance floor. So, the theater is on the front, it's at the forward, okay? The headliner theater is at the forward, and then after it you get the glass house, Java coffee shop, elevator, photo gallery, studio, Cindy restaurant, and the live lounge. Let's check out these places. So on the right here you have the Glass House restaurant. I had the dinner here once, it was very good. They have big range of wine. Morning. You can stop at the bar to enjoy your wine and drink. So this is the Glass House. This is where I said when I had dinner a few nights ago. And you can go sit outside here. I've got a balcony. No, that's not a part of the restaurant, but at the outside of it. Okay, that's the Glass House restaurant. And normally this side they will close off when the dinner start. You can only enter the other side where I show you now, where we got in. Then we have the Java. So the Java coffee is not included. So there's a menu here. Get your coffee and your treat. So this is the Java cafe. Okay, so this is another sitting area, and also outside. Yep, you see the ashtray there. So that is smoking area. Okay, I think I'm gonna go out for a bit and show you guys what the smoking area looks like. Oh, maybe later. He's cleaning the window. Alright, it continues. This one is not quite sure actually. Oh, okay. So the part of Oasis Spa. Okay. Oasis Spa is actually on deck 5, but it's part of it. Back to the Midship elevator. So this is the loyalty and cruise sales. So if you'd like to book your next cruise, you can come here and talk to one of the agent. Then we are at the photo gallery. Doing this thing with the eye stuff. Look pretty cool, huh? So iconic. Then we have this studio. So this is a movie theater. This I still haven't been here yet, so I got 2 more days. But it's pretty nice. So the studio. And right outside here they will have the screen to tell you what is the show. So today they're having what, Barbie. Let's continue. Still on deck 7. So this is the Sindhu Indian restaurant. During the day, sometimes I come and sit here. You get a lot of people walking by from the front to the back of the ship. You get a bar here. So the Sindhu, the food here was, the food was very good. It was super delicious. I really enjoyed my dinner. So it was a bit strange though, but I'll talk more about it later. So this is the Sindhu restaurant. Pretty big actually. So this is where I sat when I had dinner the other night. I got a round table, round seat here. Anyway, so that is Sindhu, the Indian restaurant. And this is a specialty restaurant. You have to make a reservation to come here. And at the front, there's a bar here. Continue is the life lounge. They have some people like working there. Let's see if you can stop me from picking. I can't say anything. Morning. Okay, so this is where they have live music and show. Also, there's a bar behind it. Beautiful, like what you call it, on the chandelier, or light display or something. So got big stage there. See, peep in once, but haven't really enjoyed it. But I need to come sometime. Got 2 more days. So that is the life lounge. Morning. Let's continue to deck 16 because 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Kevin's or stateroom. If you notice in the lift elevator here, there's no advertising, nothing, no flashing TVs, advertising, nothing, no poster, nothing, which is quite different, nice. Okay, so we're at the Sunset Bar. Hold on, let me show you the buffet quickly while it's still quiet. So we're at the Horizon Restaurant. Oopsie. So you get your coffee and tea station here. It's 7:30, so the breakfast haven't started yet. So this is the buffet area. So they have, I think, like 2 or 3 sections like this, and they all repeated. I still get lost after 12 days. It's got plenty of sitting area here. And I think in the evening it's turned to the beach house restaurant here. On deck 16. Okay, so this section is open, so I'm gonna show you what the breakfast looks like quickly. Okay. So you got the cereals here. A smoothie over there. Cold cut. Mueslis. You got fresh fruit over here. More fresh fruit. Okay, then we repeat, so you get the smoothies here. Yeah, croissant and pancakes. Now let's see the hot buffet, the hot breakfast. Okay, it's got scrambled eggs, sausage, eggs, bacon, omelette, toasted. Oh, this toast is super lovely. I think the front taking bacon fat. Got your baked beans, tomatoes. Also, they have vegetarian version too for breakfast. You like curry breakfast, and then it's repeat. Okay, now I'm getting lost. I think I have to go out that side. Okay, so that's the breakfast. So get porridge. So I just came out from the buffet area. So this is the pool deck, and you get the Riviera bars here. So this is the pool area. People already start swimming already at 7:30 or 7:40 in the morning. Let's check out the other side. So this is oh, the snowflake, the ice cream bar.
Yes, Vinny. Vinny. Yeah.
Got plenty of seat outside here. Morning.
Morning, sir.
And then you get the pizzeria on the opposite end, which of course still not open. It's way early in the morning. So you get the hot dog and pizza is on that side. And you get the bar in the middle, the line of the bar. And you get the line of grill. This is where you get your hot dog and hamburgers and your fries here. Okay. Okay, back inside the ship on deck 16. She walked in, and then the front right hand side is just staterooms, cabin. You walk past it. You walking past elevators and staircase, and to your left, you get into another restaurant here, and this is where they have afternoon tea with a joint, and it was very nice. I put it on the video for you guys. So this is the oh goodness, I never get it right. Okay, that's right. Epicurean. The Epicurean restaurant, that's it. Okay. So it's too close, show you a little bit. So this is the Epicurean restaurant where you have your tea, and also it's one of the specialty dining. You can make a reservation beforehand, and then you can enjoy your meal here. And that will be on the actually tonight. I'm coming tonight. So tonight 12th night. So I'm coming to the Epicurean restaurant. Sorry. Good morning. So this is Ivory Sweet. I'm not quite sure. I saw some like maybe it's a kid area. I'm not quite sure about this one, but when I find out, I'll let you guys know. No, sorry, no, the kid area is next door to it. Sorry, yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's might be for the VIP people. And we arrive at the front of the ship is the Claw's Net. This is my favorite bar. So now they have piano player. You can enjoy the view from here. This has got all the window all around. So this is the front of the ship. So you can enjoy the view inside. If you're not outside person want to sit at the bar, you can come here, enjoy your drink and look at the sea. Not sure it's actually working or just ornament. It's pretty. Oh no, it looks like it's closed. No, it's not. Let me see. Okay, no, it's open. You have to open the door. Right, step. So this is the library. This is right behind the clothes bar. It's got some computer here. I'm not sure they have the printer facility on the ship. I'm sure they have it if you ask the staff. So this is the library next to the clothes ship, the clothes bar. Sorry. Okay, and then you come out to the stateroom area. So that's the library. Right. So back to the elevator area. Now you can either take the elevator to 17, or I'm just gonna walk. So we're at the front. I'm not quite sure what's at the front here. Forward. Okay, some terrace. Retreat. Actually, never been outside here. Okay. Okay, we're outside again. This is the sun terrace. It's the front of the ship. It's on the top deck. Serenity pool and bar. Ah. Okay, this is my first time here. Okay. So let's go to the bar here. Alright, so that's it for the Serenity bar. There's some people joining the swim in the morning. I'm not gonna interrupt. So the retreat is past Serenity pool and bar. I think you have to pay to get in, or it's only for VIP. So this one it definitely says adult zone only. So allow adults only quiet zone. So no kids around on that side. Let's go back to the back of the ship. It's got the hot tub over there. I want to film. We've got this lady in it. Okay, let's head to the back of the ship. So towels on this ship, you don't really have to ask the staff for it, because some ships it's like they have a counter. You have to talk to the staff and sign up something to get the towel. But this one, you just grab it. So this is I think I missed a sign. I think this is some kind of game. Not quite sure what it is. Okay, so behind the bar area is a gym. Well, I'm not gonna be able to film a lot because there are people working out already. So anyway, so behind the pool area, you got a gym here. Peak. So that's the gym on deck 17 back after, not backward, after. Then right next to the gym is a cookery club. Oh, it's closed now. They only open when there's a session away there, well, when they have classes, which I joined one for the Portuguese street food. It was very nice. So I'll put that on the video for you guys too. So that's it. So forward 17 is you got a cookery club, gym. Okay, there's more up there. It's arena bar, and promenade. Okay, somebody coming down. I'm just gonna wait and then I'll take you upstairs and see what this looks like. Okay. Okay, so let's go up. Okay, this is almost like a jogging track here. Yep. Morning. We're quite windy up here. Yep, you too.
Oh, everybody smile.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so this is a jogging track. People are walking, running. So this they have not sure what it is. If you know, let me know what it is. You throw the ball to the target over there. Ah, beautiful morning. People get up really early on this ship. So this is the arena. Ah, quite nice. And there's a bar here. The sitting table, sitting area up there too. I walked past it a few times, never seen it open. Maybe it just open different time. Anyway, so there's the arena. Let's continue with now 5 to 8. I was in high. A lot of maintenance staff working early in the morning so they can, well, I guess I can keep peacefulness to the guests, not in their way. Oh, what's that noise? Oh, okay. So this is the top part. There it is. P&O Cruises.
Hindi ako stick-itit. Baka direct ako si Tutong na lang.
It's out of the way people running. Up. Another one. So at the back of the ship, there's the pool, but it's normally say no video or filming, but nobody around. So that's why I'm doing video now. And got up very early in the morning just to make sure there's don't interrupt people privacy. So this is the back. The after. It's got the pool, and not the pool, which is the hot tub. Yeah. Here. Let's go down one more. So this is the back of the ship. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and peaceful. Okay, this is a sunset bar. Right at the back of the ship. Alright guys, so there's a tour of P&O Pioneer. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you've been in here, have you been on this ship already? If you haven't, give me the comment down below what you think about the ship, or what did you have any question about the ship. Let me know. This is my first time on P&O. I mean, like on any ship, I've never been to any P&O ship at all. So it's my first time, and I really enjoyed it so far to this day 12. And we have 2 more days, and then we're gonna be right back in Southampton where we start. Yeah, so far so good, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you on the next video. Bye bye.